I know sometimes when we try to think about God, your mind feels very noisy. You're thinking about, oh, I'm hungry, I want to play video games, or I want to watch football, or I want to go play snooker, or I want to do all these things. You're just distracted. It happens to everyone. Now, if I said, oh, go read the Bible, that's the time you start yawning, feeling tired, and, not being interested. And that happens to everyone because the devil doesn't want you to read the word. So it will distract you and make you feel tired and all that stuff. The important thing really is to slow down, pause. Don't rush your days, when you're feeling distressed or stressed about stuff. Just pause, calm down, relax. Don't rush your day. Even when something big has happened, remember that God is with you. So you pause and you say to yourself, God is with me and God is in me right now. Because when your mind is renewed and you're reassured that God is with you, God's words, God's wisdom would flow through you more easily.